Hello waving hand viewers, my channel YouTube AutoMind. As of March 2025, Air India's fleet comprises both narrow-body and wide-body aircraft from Airbus and Boeing, totaling approximately 202 aircraft. Narrow-body aircraft, Airbus A319-100, used primarily for domestic and short-haul international routes. Airbus A320-200 and A320neo, these models form a significant portion of the fleet, serving domestic and regional destinations. Airbus A321-200 and A321neo, deployed on high-density domestic and medium-haul international routes. Wide-body aircraft, Airbus A350-900, Air India has introduced the A350-900 to its fleet, enhancing its long-haul capabilities. Boeing 777-200LR and 777-300ER, these aircraft operate on long-haul international routes, offering substantial passenger capacity. Boeing 787-8 and 787-9 Dreamliners, known for fuel efficiency, these aircraft are utilized on both medium and long-haul international flights. Fleet expansion plans. Air India has embarked on an ambitious fleet expansion strategy, placing orders for 470 new aircraft, including models like the Airbus A350 and Boeing 787 Dreamliners. However, global supply chain challenges have led to delays in aircraft deliveries, impacting the airline's modernization efforts. Cabin upgrades. In addition to expanding its fleet, Air India is investing in refurbishing existing aircraft to enhance passenger comfort and align with modern standards. This includes upgrading cabin interiors and in-flight amenities. For the most current information on Air India's fleet and services, visiting their official website or consulting recent press releases is recommended.